Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub. Voina enge kantile don voina chuan Mizoram Subordinate Services Selection Board MSSSB question paper kan sol dona. Have a question paper hi recruitment to the post of assistant November 2022. So chumi ma chuan ni tina ka sei danangin ha voina englai ka suggest don chau triple extension exalania lil pump and arms around you featured by Maluma le Swelly juntul pad makkati do jo hemila hi no topenga hi tripire de sakania arepa hemila hi ni khata voice som ka ngai tla trina maklu tu mo voice som ka ngai tla ngai trin so you can listen these two songs tuna caution kan sol dona ma seng voina hian a kaman modon lo nyo voina kaman modon bitam ta kana so trina sar I video hi arang thailu I soi rang thailu tu I soi hey a fast le tu trina. That's why avoina chuan step by step mo pakhat ten step by step voina shortcut om chuan shortcut po ka shil chunga chuan caution pakhati uwe pahnia pathum engtia enting e sol tur kami po ha kashilang chau in shia chuan nangmani ta na thadon lutuk mo exam hola chuan nui pain in solvang cautions te okay so question number 76 kan atan kan ziak potanga a background hi voin chu black kathini a chanjoi zana mut papon emo khuma papon tian nakina exam marsha in revise thenga in revise te turin mo x plus 1 by x and yatra equations you tam lutuk then mutra equations you tam down to ka so then kashilang chau if x plus 1 by x equals to 5 x plus 1 by x equals to 5 anya then what will be the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 okay and then hami equation ahian 5 ain hata hian mo 5 ain 2 chunita se ta hian mo reilote tan kazia kan ejo kan khoshen ju 5 ania 2 chunita se hemi value hi 1 trina hemi value hi 1 and trina entina hai exam alo chot upcoming examination a true in move ve chuan maseng hemi hi a satisfy to ro if x equals to 1 kan da chuan hei 1 le 1 amota hian dule x square plus x plus 1 by x equals to 3 aloni chuan heta hian x equals to 1 kan dale thei ta hian okay hemi in shia thiam turnia in shia thiam tonga pani chu omta se heta hian engpo ni se x raised to the power 6 x raised to the power 5 x raised to the power 3 engeti chuan 3 ani dona mo engpo in du antinan root x plus x square engeti chuan hemi enge value ni don 2 ani don hemi in shia turnia maseng in our question enge x plus 1 by x equals to 5 anya mitam takin hemi question hi unsolved pop theya mitam tak chuan unsolved ngal thei mo anshiat unpractice na satlu chuan ma seng voi khat mu na in la mu ngai mi lo chuan engtin nge kan solve andu hemi hi kan enang hemi mo x raised to the power 4 hi x raised to the power 4 hi engtin nge alawom x raised to the power 2 le x square kan multiply tro tuna thil pa shia thiam tum leula x square hi khoi train nge omang le kan ngei tuanga x le x kan multiply jon x square en train tro hemi hi kan compare train so hemi x hi x square siam turin nge kan tiang lelam a kan square train in shatiam ka tahian voi ka traden ka shilang chau hey so lelam a kan square anga right left hand side apo jon right hand side apo enge turak after solving x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 ani don hemi khojen nge lo chua achan chu a plus b equals to enge ni train a square plus b square plus 2ab ni train ab khange x into 1 by x and hemi le hemi gan cancel so 2 multiplied by 1 chu 2 chawania chumi function tan hei heta hian 2 ka ziak okay tuna step number 2 ka soitang khan heta hemi kan compare lenga heta raised to the power 4 oma heta hian raised to the power 2 oma tro 4 siam turin enge kan ti leang hey helama kan square chuan 5 po kan square anga 5 square is 25 okay hemi 2 hi helama kan transfer anga so helama kan zia vela minus 2 25 train pani pe chu 23 ania tro tuna voi kha chia thlua kan manangai ta hian voi kha chia kan mang lenga x square hi x raised to the power 4 siam tunin enge kan ti lang kan square lang voi khat left hand side kan square chon right hand side po kan square lang 23 square enge mapon voi tam tak kasoi to square le a cube hi chu in thiam nge in riat nge ngai exam atian in chunga tian in chok donami 3 3 is a 9 3 2 is a 6 2 3 is a 6 2 2 is a 4 25 29 tian in ziak don mo no tiang hen in zia tiang hen calculate un lawa smart devin lekha kan zirtur so square of 23 is how much 529 tuna hemi kan a plus b whole square kan apply lenga x square khachu x raised to the power 4 ni dona chon 1 by x square chu 1 by x raised to the power 4 ni dona chon 2 multiplied by x square into 1 by x square cancel hemi 2 chawam don ta hian 2 oma equals to 529 tuna hemi 2 hi helama kan ziak lenga so after shifting enge minus 2 so what will be the value of x raised to the power 4 chon plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 chon 527 option number B hi kan answer nang mani tan tiang question hi ollutuk ani pon apoimi alo kai manen practice ula na in hunin ti heklenam tian lekha inzir palom in practice and revise a thaldu masing en tirnan exam tun trum x raised to the power 5 plus 1 by x raised to the power 5 lo chuak data se nge in tiang heta hi chuan x plus 1 by x kha voi khatin square anga chuan voi khat in cube ang nga dinge tian in ti chuan nge kan nei don heta hi chuan x square kan nei don atro chuan heta hian x cube kan nei don so x square le x cube enge ni thin ti chuan x raised to the power 5 ani thin tro so hey kan compare te tro all some then kan compare te until phadang ka soile du chu x raised to the power 6 lo ni ta se chuan 1 by x raised to the power 6 lo ni le ta se hemi yang tin kan solve ang hemi po hi kan cube ang x plus 1 by x whole cube kan tinga chimza x plus 1 by x whole cube kan tilang ti hian kan ti chuan enge kan nei don hemi x hi chu x cube ani dona chuan hetami x hi x cube ani le dona chuan kan multiply chuan x raised to the power 6 ani don hemi hi in shiatu x raised to the power 9 10 lo ti velang and then mitam thegin x raised to the power 3 multiplied by x 3 multiplied by 3 chu 9 ani 3 no hemi diklawa asan chu certain indices are 0.0 tonga what is the value n plus m ani 3 not n multiplied by m ani ngalo n plus m ani 3 multiply kha chu engtika a raised to the power n ani chun whole bracket pona mo an power raised to the power m ani chuan hemi le hemi kan multiply trin a raised to the power n multiplied by m kan trin tizong hi in shia tur mo nemi question number 1 kan zau tuna question number 2 tuna average question kan solve nga and ru thil pat ka shilang chau average question all sum the was solved dan ka shilang chau tuna average question in move le helama hian sum in zia kanga equals to helama po sum in zia kang sum enge om zia and ru what is the formula of average this one sum divided by total item or total article or total data inshat yam tro so sum hi enge ni don sum chu average multiplied by total ti hemi in shia chuan hun tam do ngai don lo shim so hemi sum I hian enge kan man don average multiplied by total data hemi in shia turin thlua ka in practice na in thlua ka set me ngami telijimo sum kha enge kha average multiplied by total person so tahian person engzange anom 19 boys and atro hin muthenga 19 boys le teacher so boys som pakwa no ma chuan teacher pakhat so tahen kan zia kanga som pakwa no ma chuan teacher pakhat ti hian kan zia kang hemi hi data nia multiplied by enge average so an average engzat nge som panga tuna eng thil nge in zia ta hian ka muang chau no ta hian ka muang chau if the teacher's age is excluded antitra excluded om zia nge ama chu khami kha teacher kha chuak to tina ni chu ama age kha kan exclude ta hian kan minus ang 2x to hemi x age of teacher ania age of teacher equals to achwa nuwa mo part paniom hemi question a hian part pani oma tan ka mong cho hemi part 1 ania so this is the first part and this is the second part first part chu helama kan boy puito in shatiam tro ka saitum first part helama kan boy puito a tuna second part heta kan zia kang achwa nuwa enge in zia ta hian the average age is reduced by 2 years okay the chaden night laula teacher kha chu achuak to teacher achua to chuan engzat nge nom to don 19 plus 1 kan ti don em no kan ti don mi alo achan chu teacher kha achuak to so total data heta kan ziak to total person heta kan ziak to boys heta som pakwa na matro chuan a average ka pani na tlem dei om zia chu a average ma chun som panga ni thina tro tuna pani na tlem chun -2 kan tia tahian hemi kan solve to nga answer ron chuak to don som pakwa pakhat kan bel chun som ni netro chu tiang bok chun multiplied by 15 minus x equals to 19 heta 19 ania multiplied by som panga atangin pani kan pe chun engzat nge som pathum ani dona in shetia manga tuna hemi kan solve nga 19 13 zar engzat nge ti chuan zanile somli pasari anitrin 247 anitrina tuna somni le sompanga kan multiply chuan engzat nge anitrin zathum anitrin tro zathum minus x equals to 247 tuna x hi minus awma helama kan shift tenga chuan zani somli pasari helama awma chu right hand side awma left hand side kan shift tenga so 300 minus 247 equals to x so 300 atangin 247 kan pe chon exact nge 53 yes x equals to 53 so 53 years will be the answer on to age of teacher exact nge chon 53 years ani don so this was average question then can solve so chia tuna question number 78 can solve don and the makkatirab male mania han rationalization video kalau upload dro pani ka upload a za chon makkati bar chu views atlem lutuk mo views ka atlem lutuk maseng kadi tak mi pasari line aspirant 7 aspirants in mo group atangin private in milo message a chun questions min zot na sal duk chumi rationalization ahan practice tur question kalau da chawatro entinan tamdau kada paruk nge pasari vel kada khata trang han milo zota tha ka tilu tuk ringot kame jumo kalom tuk achan chu an end a serious den an ena ai top lama mi questions to pomilo zota aum zia chu video kha top thleng an end tinani chu so ti hian nang ni pon enula ai nen jon a thamo na wai ta ne dan questions tam do in practice chuan exam aram se questions in attempt te don answer in muzong zong meng tian mo tuna question number 78 two numbers are in the ratio 4:5 voi sang khat ai tam ka sei to I am to 4:5 ani chon hemi ratio ania ratio chon kan thu ve kan thin du chon 400 divided by 500 potila du chon 4x by 5x potila baseng kan multiply le divide number kha anin ang ve tur tahian ratio nge ratio 4x and 5x tihian kan zia kanga their LCM is exact mo an LCM 540 tuna thil parshi athiam tumla number pani kan shemi alawatro number pani chu 4x le 5x tihian kan zia ka chanchu ratio no matro enge LCM ani don 4x le 5x hi enge a LCM ani don a LCM chu hey x chu oma so tahian x kan zia kang in shatia matro chumizwa hey 4 le 5 oma so 4 heta kan ziak nga 5 heta kan ziak so 4 multiplied by 5 is how much 20 in shatiam dro tuna helama 0 oma helama 0 oma chuan 2 in 54 can cancel there 27 times in can cancel there tuna nge kan caution the smaller number te zok enge ati no what is the smaller number te smaller number nge ate zok ki 4x ania larger number chutita se bigger number chutita se 5x ni dona masing smaller number te chon 27 4s are exact nge inshia 28 ania zale pariyat so option number D will be our correct answer tuna LCM based question tlem kan solve nga and entinan 3 emichu exam mini law this is not part of this question paper emi question ju practice me turin letlem concept kashil vechonga and 3 numbers are in the ratio 3 4 5 okay hemi ratio and move le chu HCF le LCM mi question move le mo exam paper achon inti masak bar tur chu ratio anom chuan 3x intinga 4x tihian in zia ka chon 5x in zia kang enge in zia thildang and their LCM is 2400 tun trumenge LCM sang ni le zali tro equals to enge LCM ta hian left hand side ange kan siang 3x 4x le 5x. What is the LCM ti chon x2 nge dona chon 3 4 5 kan multiplying 3 4s are 12 ania chon 12 5s are 60 helama 0 oma helama po 0 oma helama 16 240 kan cancel anga 40 times. So we found the value of x kan muto. Value of x is 40, right? Maseng enge kan question what is their HCF anti dei heta chon smaller number smallest number antilaw smallest number chu tita se hemi value of x is 3x akan da de ang hemi smallest number ni don maseng mo heta hian HCF ansot HCF ahaul tu kan ruta hian 3x ania number pathum chu kansha to don tinani chu 3x ania heta x sin 40 kan put denga 4x apo x sin 40 kan putanga 5x apo x sin 40 kan dang tihian z exokila 40 mo chuan 4 multiplied by 40 5 multiplied by 40. Okay, what is their HCF anti tro 2 ponan siang enge HCF hemi number pathum HCF hi enge ti chuan 40 khoyang 40 chau hi netro an pathuma 40 chau hi common oma so common kha HCF ani chen 40 will be the answer in shatiam tro ti hian kan solve chen tuna question hemi question kan solve the ratio of two numbers hemi question te hemi du chon in note down thea exam 3 numbers are in the ratio 3 4 5 number pathum ratio on given a LCM pon given a HCF engeni don ti chuan engma kan ti don lo kan ti ma sakber tur chu 3 4 5 and given ratio akan x in kan multiply payve kanga chumi chu enge LCM 60x anetro LCM kan ziak nga chon khoshana enge LCM ti chon chumi nen chon kan equate de ang 60x ania ti hian kan equate kan cancel a 40 lo chuak value of x lo chuaka chumi value chu an ratio nen mo hey 3x 4x 5x khata kan danga chon HCF khami number HCF ka kan find out me ang harlo tuna hemi indu chon ti inziak themo copy inziak themin note down thea tuna question hemi question hi the ratio of two numbers okay enge ka seikha ti hian ratio kan ziak photanga 3x and 4x and their HCF on pete mo tunrum HCF on given there what is their LCM and aletling zone chu HCF is equals to 4 ania tro so what is the number enge number ti chuan number ta chu tian kan multiply 3 na 4 multiplied by 3 12 ania 4 multiplied by 4 16 so 12 le 16 LCM in find out thailang mo number te ber ta hen pakhat kan zianga kan ngei tuanga chumi number chu 12 pon kan divide thai tur chuan 16 pon kan cancel thai tur what will be that number 48 so our answer will be 48 simple hey 48 is our answer boring mi alola khongai taken achen chu tiang question hi exam alo chuak mai thei mo exam alo chuak ve chon ti hian in solve turani tuna question number 3 po hi hey the product of two numbers is 1280 hemi ka soi chan berju kalau explain telven chan chu entinan question number 78 hi next time lo chuak lo mai tia hey heng pathuma chang hian lo chuak mai thei chumi wang chon kalau so yani tahian the product of two numbers is enge 1280 and their HCF is 8 and each one what will be the LCM of the two numbers tahian hemi formula hi in copy in zia kanga product of two numbers equals to enge LCM multiplied by HCF talk hemi chau anyway mo product of two numbers and given them yes product of two number is given 1280 equals to enge LCM kan shatte ulotro achan ju khami ber khane kan find out tur chona HCF an given a 8 ania tok dolom 1280 noya kan transfer denga so 8 multiply omem 1280 hi omem 160 so 160 will be the answer initiative madra tuna LCM le HCF question palilai kan solve to tahian hemi question hi an leila an article mo question number 79 here an article was sold at a profit of 15% okay article pakatan seller and sold at a profit of 15% had it been sold for rupees 600 in shaltaila the profit would have been 20% anidon so the former selling price of the article was hemi engtin nge kan solve enru tiang khoshani engtin nge kan tia a cost price selling price ania selling price find out turin enge kan nei ngai cost price le selling price chu nu pang mai mo a in zui reng trin khoya po selling price le cost price chu bulna nom don khoya ma polygon le cost price emo sin theta le cost price mensuration a cost price am ngai lo tra ma seng selling price nei turin cost price emo profit loss ti vali shia tangai thin chumi turchon cost price kan assume photang cost price can assume let us consider the cost price be x tuna enge inzia ta hian an article was sold at a profit of 15% tro han ngai to do cost price x ani chon selling price enge ni wakanga za som panga percent of x ani ang chu du chon hemi 1.15 of x kan ti thai hemi nga tinge ti hian a chan chu 15% profit ania za ania tro cheng som panga chu cheng za a 15% kan lep kan ti chuan exact nge za som pangan lo mi so tan in shianga hemi hi original price mo hemi hi in chin chiang tuna enge next had it been sold tan in ziatro had it been sold for 600 in shaltaila the profit would have been 20% enge hemi enge omziani le dei don 600 in shaltaila the profit would have been exact 20% so 100 at 20% profit you exact nge za som nitro so 120 divided by 100 of enge cost price tuna hemi 0 pani kanda sana 1 le true in kara point kandang entinga tinga kadari ngot achan chu za som ni nia za som ni person ya anwaya 0 pahatoma chunga 0 pahatoma anwami 0 pahati da son turin decimal heta unit le tens digit in kara kanda chichuni mai tuna hemi kan solve nga we will find the cost price 1.2 wayam dona point kan da sunanga achunga 0 pahatom don 12 multiple 60 oma 5 ania so 12 5s are 16 etro heta 5 so cost price kan muto 500 cost price is 500 maseng a original hey former selling price of the article antitro a selling price original exact ngeni thon 1.15 of enge hey x ania so x is 500 point kan da sunanga 0 waya pani 0 on cancel 0 on cancel za som panga le panga kan multiply nga hey 15 5s are 75 ania 5 1s are 5 so 575 hemi can answer option number D will be the correct answer tuna hemi question hian ru hemi question pakhatania hemi question second question ya hemi question number 3 tuna hemi trick pakhat chatta umai ka shilang chau mo chatta umai ka shilang chau and ru selling price and ask chautro chu question a selling price find out turania heta hian and ru an article was afialo chuan ka request do chau a resolution ti sangula 720 or 480p a khan daula achan chu hei letters ateya mo an article was sold at a loss of 15% okay 15% loss ania ta hian ka zia kanga chiang dawin dule short note in sia in nei chon ziak nge ru mi mo step tam de was skip thedon if it was sold for rupees 1035 okay 1035 in consumption then there would have been a profit of 8% okay heta loss ama voi khat loss ania heta voi khat profit tia chon find the cost price of the article and ru khoshana mo cost price a ve chon and nang mani nin ana hemi benefit hi nang mani nin nei theidon kashala ule coaching apo mi chuan shilve thonga mo maseng coaching kal ngai lo ta tan mo kal du lo emo kal thei lo ta tan ti hian ke chan video hi kalo siam zel don mo so kashilang cheu we ngei tua kher lo la coaching kal ho de chu an tha thei ngotang tricks te thado do an nenga kawan kal vechak kapan join vechak ti vel khatiang ril ruhain puchuan kha da sonula pe sonula questions te in zo du chuan milo zo thinula whatsapp amo kaiman voi khat ma connect le ka ignore ngai lo ma seng hei message te atam velu tu ka vain thlemin hun hi relote nuwa ga call chuan ka reply ngal tho chunga you can ask me whatever you want to ask tuna ta hiano enru ka soilenga cost price find the cost price of the article anti ve chuan mo inti tur ka shilang chau pakhat loss a omatro pakhat profit ama in belang 23 in bela equals to hemin and in equate the 1035 nan in equate 1% value 1035 by 23 ya 100% value he can answer ni zeldon omzechu what is the value ti chon 23 into 100 and 23 exact zar nge 1035 ani trin ti chuan 45 ani trin chuan 45 multiplied by 100 chu 4500 so option number C hey option number C hi kan answer tuna thil away khat ka soinon lenga loss ani chuan loss and loss ani chuan kan minus ang hemi hi shia ula loss le profit ani chuan kan add ang hemi hi shia la mi tricky poimol tuk mo chuan profit le profit a om chuan kan minus ang ai nang chuan kan minus ang ai nang lo chuan kan plus ang chuan profit le loss a om chuan enge kan add ang tuna question number 2 hi voi khat kan tinga in shathiam va kang mo zo an article was sold at 35% gain anti mo profit ania tahen kazia kanga had it been sold for 600 more tahen 600 kanzia ka then the gain would have been 40% gain ani le to tahian profit ania so profit le profit chu kan minus ang somli changin somthum panga pe chu panga ania 5% value 600 ania 1% value angzat ngeni don hey tihian 120 netro chun 100% value hi kan answer region 120 multiplied by 100 to 12,000 so our answer will be option number A hemi kan answer tuna atop na mi atop ber mi po hi ve kat ka solve in shathiam to chiang otang an ruwa heta hian nge article is sold at a profit of heta po profit ania 5% profit ania chuan if it was sold for rupees 250 more chumis wang chuan 250 more ka chu heta kan ziak nga more mi value ka chuan the gain would have been exact 10% so gain le thon hemi poi gain tho profit le profit chu kan minus ang so 5% equals to 250 1% angeni don 50 ni don a chen chu 550 is a 250 na so 100% exact ngeni don ti chuan 50 multiplied by 100 chu 5,000 in shatiam drai option number B tihian kan tiang hemi hi short trick ania in copy in du chon in ziate atranka exam tam taka mi jon apui don chau so last final tan profit le profit a om chuan mo profit le profit om chuan kan minus dona loss le loss a om chuan o chu anin ang chuan kan minus ang chuan pakhat loss ania chuan pakhat profit ani chuan heta hian kan add ang mo profit le loss om chuan kan add ang hemi in shia tur poimol tu 100% value kan find out answer chu ron chuak mang e Mario alo tlan payvel le mok vi ban chu okay ang opportunity se tuna question number 80 kan solve enge question number 80 and hemi poi short trick ka shilang cho wa thada omega shilang cho hemi poi and the profit earned after selling an article for rupees 625 is same as the loss incurred after selling the article for rupees 435 the cost price of the article and tirna hemi question enge omzia chumo entinan kaiman phei khok pakhat kanei mo kaiman phei khok pakhat kaneya chu po chu enge Adidas lo nei taila Adidas kang Nike kan anga ro Adidas tiang Adidas yang ai sang ajan chu Adidas unau hey Adidas nei tu kha Adolf Dassler Adidas nei tu kha Adolf Dassler nia mi GK question me general knowledge tan ka shilang chau interesting lo tu kham story Adolf Dassler mo Adidas nei tu pa ania Germany anom wever hinan unawin chuan ama unaupa diktak mo from one mother ama brother diktak anita chuchu Rudolf Dassler ania mo ming eng nei tu ngai in sham Puma company nei tu ania hemi Rudolf Dassler so Rudolf Dassler le Adolf Dassler unawanya Adidas nei tu chu Adolf Dassler nia chan Puma nei tu chu Rudolf Dassler ngai tu it is quite kitna zyada interesting fact hai hemi fact mo interesting lo tuna entirnan hemi phekho ki entirnan ni chu cheng zangain kale atro bazara cheng zangain kaleya ka thian pa entirnan muanoma ne na 625 in ka shal chuan enga mozat profit ka earn don atro ma seng hemi phekho ki ka thian pa dang sang te bula ka shal chuan chupo 435 in ka shal chuan ka loss chiang lu tu katro hemi profit le hemi loss a incurred zathi ain ang chia enge cost price ani don ka phei khok man kha engzat nge ani don tina ni chu hemi chu entinan mai zangai chu ka ziak mai so tiang question ni entian kan solve bang eng ma ti ngai lo mo pen po in bulain da chon sira daula enge intia andru 625 in ziaktro yes 435 in ziaktro yes in belveveang yes in beltam yes in beltoa engzat nge alo chua sankhatle somru kalo chua kam yes alo chuak chiang lutuk chimichu 2 in dividula answer animai omzia chu 625 plus 435 divided by 2 hemi answer 1060 by 2 equals to 530 option option number B hemi kan answer in shatia mem hemi point trick ania I mean danai vea chumi wangjan ke manei coaching means coaching answer tirang chen kalau shil ve chunga short tricks vel shilangai chuan kalau shilang cheu mo ka seinge ka shil zelang cheu. If this type of question will be asked in your examination, like the profit earned after selling an article for rupees 625 is same as the loss incurred after selling the article for rupees 435 on each one, enge kantiang omzia chu omzia ber chu tahian ka shilang cheu omzia ber chu the profit earned after selling an article for rupees a mo is same as the loss incurred after selling the article for rupees B. Then what is the cost price one? Hemi the pani kan belanga divided by 2. Hemi the answer ani mai. Mo tihian kan solve. Tahian voi khat ka zia kanga hey tihian A plus tahian short trick. Duchon in not temo short trick tahian A plus B by 2. Hemi answer omzia chu 625 plus 435 divided by 2. So 1060 by 2 is how much? 530. This is the answer. Video say don tuga chumi wangchuan voina tan he tizong hi tiri potila. Next video hami playlist kasia mangmo hami playlist kasia ma questions te travea. So enkim nakina chuan tiang questions te poi nang manin in solve anga enkim ka solvang so nang ni pon in solve ngai ngai nia ti hian keima chawin ka solve chuan keima le keimai kein practice char angania chimi wangchen nang mani pon practice charula tu eng ma pong ei to su intrian te khan le khan zernge zerlo in bial no in bial paten choten einge ei lo ti te eng ma pong ei to wa pong ai lo khatiang kha mo maseng animals hemi chu poi mol tu kania parents te in respect lu tuktur mo parents te in respect lu tuktur ne in family chau khang ei tuaru mo tunang khovela hi jawan tunang khovela I chon unselfish tol tu mushing how he love your family respect your family animals birds te te hi in mangai lu tuktur mo in duat lu tuktur. Okay, so next video akain mula chau don ya. Thank you so much.